Hello all of my unicorn loving crafters. I hope you guys are all having a great day today. I have some awesomely cute unicorn embellishments to share with you guys that I know you guys are just gonna love. So drop a like and let's jump into this video. Okay, so first off, just let me say I am using natural light today, so hopefully it's okay. I might end up having to hold some of this stuff up for you guys, but hopefully the camera does it justice because I'm telling you guys these are super cute. So I am in a few different unicorn swaps right now. I'm also working on some Happy Mail, and I'm also in a unicorn challenge. If you're new to my channel, if any of you have any questions or you're new to the crafting YouTube community and you have any questions about challenges, swaps, anything like that, definitely just hit me up in the comments and I will let you know. There's also lots of videos that you can look up on YouTube that can tell you more about it. Anyway, so if you guys saw one of my last sequin hauls, it's actually like slowly becoming my most viewed video, which is crazy, like getting more views than videos I've had out for a year. But anyway, it was like a pastel haul, not more views but more minutes watched, I should say. Anyway, so I got a whole bunch of this sequins, this really beautiful sequins, so I wanted to gift that out and share it in my swaps that I'm doing and my Happy Mail. So basically I made this mix. As you guys can see, it is absolutely gorgeous, and I made a whole bunch of different mixes too, and then I wanted to come up with a creative way to package them. So right away I went for my Doodlebug paper pads. So if you're into scrapbooking, then of course you know Doodlebug is like an awesome scrapbooking company. They actually make really kawaii looking papers. Like if you can see, those are total kawaii faces on the clouds. So you know, if you're one of my kawaii subscribers and you're thinking of getting into crafting, definitely I would suggest looking into Doodlebug. Their Halloween stuff is adorable as well. So anyway, that's just to show you like kind of some of their prints. So anyway, what I did was I made a waterfall effect here. So this is what you call a waterfall, and I filled up these bags and I made a few different sequence mixes. So as you can see, one is like kind of like pastel gothy. It's still very unicorn-esque though. It's got the black, it's got the holographic, it's got the pink, it's got stars, hearts, all different things. And then this one here is actually a mix that you can buy pre-made on Etsy, no, on AliExpress. So I will leave the link for that mix. And it is just gorgeous, and it is hearts, stars, moons, clovers, you know, basically like Lucky Charms. And then this one down here, I mixed and I put some pink. It's just all different hearts. And so if I lift this up, you can see the pattern better on the paper. It is just so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. And anyway, yeah, I just embellished the top. As you can see, I used a bunch of gems. I used some sticky bling, and I also used some glitter enamel dots. And if you know my videos, I'm not a fan of enamel dots, but I absolutely love these glitter enamel dots. So yeah, and then I put the spoon there. Now that idea I actually got from Craft Purge. I have just been getting so inspired from her videos. I have been really busy for the last 2 or 3 weeks, so I definitely have some catching up to do. But last month and the month before, I was just binging on this girl's videos. So if you are a paper crafter, you definitely need to check out her videos. So she did some embellishment packs where she had attached these little spoons, and I thought, what a great idea. So I did attach a spoon to this one. Super cute. Then I made this one over here. So for this one, I used one of my new dies. And as you can see, it is a stitched die. It looks so cute. So this one, I actually didn't attach a spoon. But I mean, if I wanted to, you know, I could always put one right there with some washi or whatever, or even stick it with a glue dot. That would be super cute. So I made that one there. And then I made this pack. So as you can see, this pack, I used a different background. So cute, right? But they're all the same mixes. And then look at this. This is one of the ephemera. So this is one of the die cuts from the Doodlebug pack. So gorgeous, right, guys? So I made those. And now we will get on to the next embellishment. Okay, so these next sets are super, super cute too. So basically, I got a bunch of new dies. I haven't actually done them in a haul video yet, but I will be sharing the haul video. I'm actually going to be filming it next, so don't worry, you guys. You will be getting links for all of these dies. So I got this die set for like $2 on eBay. Honestly, I know you guys are going crazy for AliExpress dies. Personally, I've been finding them cheaper and way more selection on eBay. So I'm not quite sure what's up with this big AliExpress die craze. I mean, I definitely know what's up with the AliExpress craze because I've been on that train for 6 years. You know what I mean? But dies, honestly, I would go for eBay. But anyway, yeah, so I picked out these awesome dies. And they are just so cute. So what I did, since my swaps are all magical themed, unicorn themed, and then I do also have a mermaid swap, well, one that's like unicorn and mermaid coming up as well. Well, I'm already working on. But anyway, so I just packaged them up. So I wanted to package these. So basically, I just put the little, unfortunately they don't stay, like I wish they stayed in order because then they look even cuter. But anyway, I just packaged them all up and then I threw some sequins in the bottom of the bag, you know, just to give it a bit of sparkle. So then I just put them on this holographic cardstock. I cut it all, I measured it all, cut it up with my cutter, and then I just did the same waterfall effect just like I did for the other ones. So here, maybe you guys can see better in this light. I'm not sure, but anyway, as you can see, I just use all different magical colors, watercolors, there's unicorns, there's rainbows, and then I topped it off with some doilies, and then they can reuse this paper clip. It's a pastel paper clip. It's got a glitter bow. And then over here, I don't know where the lighting's better. Gee, guys. So over here, you can see this one is a mermaid theme. So under here, if you can see these tags, or they're not tags, but anyway, they are so cute. You guys, look at that beautiful coral reef. Like, oh my gosh, with the holographic. I just love it. And then I put these ones in just because I thought they were pretty, and they have got gold foiling as well. And then here are the mermaid ones, and this one I just topped off again with some doilies, only instead of the paper clip, this time I used 2 of these other thingamajiggies, and then I put this other thingamajiggy in the middle. No, holographic flower. So yeah, the clothespins. So I do wish that I had clothespins in a smaller size. Unfortunately, this is the smallest size I have. It isn't the biggest size either. It's a small size, but I guess it's just not small enough. So I'm going to have to pick up some of those little mini ones. So then I packaged up this one. This one I actually used 3 doilies. And as you can see, I did put in a holographic doily. Okay, and then I really like the topper for this one. So what I did there was on the thingamajiggy, I just glued on a star, a couple stars, fabric appliques, and they look so cute. So I love this one. Again, all with the magical themes. So pretty. So there are those. Oh yes, and then I did make 2 smaller packs. So all of these have like a triple waterfall effect. Then I did make these smaller packs. So these ones, oh, this one has triple as well. I thought it only had double. And I actually really like the way the smaller ones look. So I was running out of these paper clips, and I can't find my tiny pastel Dollar Tree paper clips anywhere for the life of me. So anyway, I used a binder clip on this one, and what I'm probably going to do is like glue a pom-pom or something on top. But I still think that turned out super cute. And again, here I used the holographic. So yeah, definitely loving the holographic with the magical theme, and also loving these pastel paper clips, as you're gonna see. Okay, so these next ones, which are some of my favorites, and I've already started on some mermaid ones as well. I love them so much. So these were like 100% inspired by Craft Purge. I don't know, I thought she made some magical ones, but then I went to check the video and it wasn't. It was like Maggie Holmes or something like that. But anyway, it totally inspired me. So I got this little die set. Now I will be showing it in my die haul. So it is the exact same die set as she has, only hers is a Spellbinders, whereas mine is a no name from eBay. But apparently she said that it's an older Spellbinders set and can be hard to find. So I will totally link that in this video and also when I do my haul as well. So anyway, she had made some embellishment packs using these little envelopes and papers, and I thought they were so cute, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a similar embellishment pack, so I'm totally giving her credit. Anyway, I think they turned out so awesome, you guys. I already have a couple more started and some mermaid themed ones as well. So basically this die set, it comes with the envelope die, it comes with the little paper die, and then it also comes with 3 hearts. The wand is from a different set, a Spellbinders set, but I just thought it looked great, you know, magical theme. I am just obsessed with these. So basically these are handmade stickers. So once I gift these to people, they can just peel them off and stick them wherever the heck they want, on their projects, on their wall, wherever they want. So anyway, yeah, I love, love, love how these turned out. And my next share is actually inspired by Craft Purge as well. So about a day or so after Craft Purge, I keep calling her Craft Purge. So her channel name is Craft Purge, her name is Tony. So anyway, hi Tony! But anyway, about a day or 2 after she did this share, she did another share. I can't remember exactly what it was called, you guys, but I will link the video. But basically it was like badges or ribbon tags. Ugh, I don't know what to call them. But anyway, that gave me such a good idea. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to make magical ones. I'm going to make unicorn ones. So I didn't have the same die as her at the time. Honestly, when I made these, did I even have a die cutting machine yet? Okay, wait, yeah, I did. I made the unicorns. But I think that was like the only die I had, just the unicorns and the hearts. So I used a punch for the stars. Once again, these are like handmade stickers. Someone can just peel these off and put them on their own embellishments. They can reuse the cardstock. They can reuse everything. So yeah, I think these turned out so freaking great. I would have loved to have had a bigger bag. I've ordered some. I didn't have any at the time, so I could have put like 4 in one. But anyway, here I even used a resin cabochon. I think this looks so beautiful, you guys, and so magical. So one of the ideas she had was wrapping twine around, so I did do that as well. And then here I put what she calls legs, little legs sticking down. So I guess that's like ribbons, you know, to make it look like, you know, like a medal, like a first place or whatever, you know what I mean? So anyway, and then this one with the unicorn, I don't know if you guys can see, but I layered these really nice like filigree die cuts underneath, and then with all the holographic, it's just so pretty. So I made those ones. Then I decided to make some more unicorn ones. So I made this one. This one here only has 1 unicorn in it. It has lots of layers though. So there's the doily, there's the back layer, there's the holographic layer, then there's another layer, then there's the unicorn. This is a gorgeous freaking sticker. And once again, guys, they just peel that off. It's stuck on with either a glue dot or a foam sticker. And yeah, that is a freaking sticker. My husband thinks I should be selling these. And I'm like, I don't know if there's a market for handmade embellishments. Like, would people buy handmade stickers? I don't know. You tell me. But anyway, here is another pack that I made. And I think it's so pretty. I love how it turned out. So as you can see, like, do you see how nothing's the same? And like normally when people make things, like they'll make like 10 the same. Like these are the only 2 things that are even similar. But as you can see, even they're not the same. Here I used all holographic. And then here I mixed up different colors. It's impossible for me, guys, to make things the same. When I made these, I thought it was so beautiful. I wanted to make 10 packs like this. Did the 10 packs turn out the same? The 10 packs all turned out different. I don't know. Is that a gift or a curse? So anyway, I loved those ones. So I did make this one as well. This one, I really, really like how it turned out. So this one, I did put a bag topper on, or a topper, I should say. I also glued a resin piece here. And this resin piece actually isn't glued. It's put on with a foam square, so that can be taken off and reused. Once again, with the die cuts. And I just used my border punch along there. And with this one, I added 2 pastel paper clips turned into page flags. So I thought that was a really, really cute idea. And that page flag paperclip idea, that one actually came from Happy Mail Queen. So shout out to her for that as well. But anyway, yeah, and then I put some washi tape in the background. And then this one, I did the little ribbon legs, only with silver ribbon. I don't know. I think they turned out really, really great. So we are almost done here, guys. I swear. So I was already finished the video and I was tidying up and then I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot to share something. So this is actually one of my favorite things that I made, even though it doesn't look like the fanciest. But as you can see, I did another waterfall effect here. I used my favorite sets. I made some castles, I made some unicorns, and then these are the little thingamabobber, you know, princess carriages that die set comes with, and they are so cute, guys. So instead of the like brighter magical colors from the Stay Magical pad, I decided that I wanted to do some in pastel because everyone knows me for my pastels, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna be sending these girls all these bright colorful things when they're probably, you know, expecting, you know, pastel Eddie. But anyway, so I did decide to make some pastel ones. I think they turned out super cute. It was getting pretty late. I was kind of tired, you know, by the time I was finishing up with these. I may, in fact, end up adding a new topper onto here, or possibly just put like a little bit of tacky tape or something in the middle to keep it closed. But yeah, I think it's super cute. And you guys, these are super easy to make and really great for sharing. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in. And now back to the video. So last but not least, I'm gonna share these castles. Now, I don't think I've shared this die set yet. You guys, I got an order from scrapbook.com like 4 weeks ago, but I was waiting for more dies to come from eBay and AliExpress, so I didn't share it yet. But anyway, this is like one of my all-time favorite die sets now. I mean, other than the unicorn, but these two put together, and oh my gosh, I am in love. So this is the die set that I use for all my unicorns. It is my favorite unicorn die, even though I do have a few other unicorn dies. This is how it turns out, and I have had 2 of my other YouTuber friends who bought it after they saw it on my channel, and they are in love with it as well. Well, anyway, so the main reason I got this one was for the castle, but this is also the wand die that you guys saw on these embellishments right here. So anyway, I decided that I would cut out these castles because a couple of the people who I am doing swaps with do not have their own die cut machines, and I was like, when I didn't have a die cut machine, would I not have killed for some freaking magical pastel castles? So what I did was I just punched out a whole bunch of these castles and I put them in here. Now originally they were like all like this, all nice so you could see them all. Of course now they're all in a bunch. But anyway, oops, I forgot to trim that white part of the doily off, but that will be trimmed off. So anyway, yeah, I just put them on this cardstock, and then I attached this doily here. Instead of gluing it, what I did this time was use the pastel paper clips, which of course I can't find now, and had put the little heart in the middle. I think it looks super cute. Then this one over here, again, just an assortment of magical castle cutouts with the doily and the paper clips. Super cute. Also, just in case you guys were wondering, yes, I did my nails. I did the other hand. Finally, and no, it's not like just because I usually don't show 2 hands doesn't mean that I only do 1 hand. I mean, like, who would only do 1 hand? That's just crazy. That's not the reason I don't use a tripod or anything. Like, Come on. Okay guys, that is everything for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you get some inspiration from it. Definitely make sure that you check out the description underneath the video. Go and check out Craft Purchase channel, and if you happen to have been living under a rock, definitely check out Happy Mail Queen's channel as well. Don't forget that I have a huge die haul coming up. I got some really awesome envelope dies, puffy stars, a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. So drop a like, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.